Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Resilient Lady. This brand new ship is magnificent, and this is one of the Seriously suites on board.
Seriously?
Seriously. It's a Seriously suite, which means it's one of the RockStar quarters here on board. You're going to get some great upgrades and a beautiful amount of space. Now I'll take you through that in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an incredible relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, being that you're in one of the RockStar quarters, you're going to get early access to all the dining reservations here on board. It's one of the things that Virgin's known for, and the food is delicious. There's no main dining room. You're going to have the galley where you have made-to-order food from quite a few different restaurant options. And then, of course, you're going to have all the specialty restaurants here on board included in your fare, and you're going to be able to pick what you want when you want it earlier than anyone else. Now, in addition to that, you'll have the things that are always included. You'll have Wi-Fi, gratuities, sodas, drip coffees, and teas, in addition to still and sparkling water replenished throughout your stay. One of the things that I really appreciate is you're also going to have a RockStar Agent. That'll start before you get on board, take you all the way through here, and of course you'll also get that RockStar treatment from your Harr Travel advisory team. Now let's tour the space. Now as you walk in the door here, you've got your temperature controls to the side. You also have the ability to communicate do not disturb or makeup room. And now I'm going to head into the bathroom. As we step in, it's a really nice large space. So you've got quite a bit of counter space here, storage up above and down below, and you'll find those extra comfy RockStar robes and slippers. It's all the nice little touches. I love that they even have a special makeup towel. Now the water closet's tucked just behind. I really appreciate that you have the door for privacy. And now we'll step into the shower. Now I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually fit just fine in here, just underneath that large rainfall shower head up above, the adjustable shower wand, and the bench seat to soak. You'll also find those highly upgraded bath amenities. Now keep in mind that you do have a window where you can see out to the ocean from here. They do have the ability to close that off if you want a bit more privacy. Now as we step into the room proper, you're gonna see your bed. Now I love that it's angled directly out at those incredible ocean views. You've got an extra comfy mattress, pillows, and linens, and you'll have nightstands on either side, in addition to US plugs and USB chargers. There's space underneath where you can pull the drawers out and tuck your large bags away. There's quite a bit of storage in the space. Now I did want to point out this tablet device. You can utilize that to stream movies on demand, watch television, or you can use it to control everything in the suite. The curtains, the temperature, and even the television itself, so you can stream right over to the large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching TV and that collection. You've got your vanity here where you can sit and get ready, a large mirror, lights, a US plug, and a European plug. You've got your hairdryer just underneath, in addition to a bit more storage. Now continuing in, you're gonna find your mini bar setup. Now one of the great upgrades of having this category of suite is you're gonna get a one-time complimentary setup. All of that's included. You'll also have a stock mini fridge underneath and a bit more storage. Now they always have still and sparkling water included. Now of course, Virgin was started by Sir Richard Branson. They got their start in music. You're gonna have a record player right here in the suite. You also have Bose speakers to play and 2 USB chargers that you can utilize to charge your device. In addition, another great amenity is you do get access to Richard's rooftop. You can head up there to party in the evening, relax during the day. They've got several different styles of day beds, the full bar, and there's also some great dining options. Directly across, you've got a large chair here. I'll open this up so you can see the storage. You've got baskets and shelves for storage up above, full laptop size safe, and then you also have drawers down below. Now, in addition, you're gonna have quite a bit of hanging storage. It goes all the way across here, and storage down below. Now, as we step out onto your terrace, you've got 2 chairs and a table here. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, as you take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. This ship sails around the world. You can imagine having breakfast out here from that room service menu and taking advantage of the views before you head out and enjoy an incredible day in port. Now tucked in the corner, you're gonna find Virgin's signature red hammocks made by Yellow Leaf. This is such a cool option to have here on the cruise. I know I love to rock, so you have that gentle sway of the oceans, and a lot of our guests actually will purchase these when they get home. Now when you're ready to make this your home away from home and book any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an incredible relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel RockStar signature service every step of the way.